Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Tandem for Teachers, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for Tandem for Teachers, start by visiting the official Tandem website. On the homepage, locate the sign up or register button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a form requesting your personal information. Fill in your full name in the designated field. Next, enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email you frequently check. Then, create a strong password for your account. It's advisable to use a mix of letters, numbers, and after entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the next field. Proceed to fill out any additional information requested, such as your teaching experience. Review the terms and conditions presented on the page. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Once all fields are completed, click on the Submit button. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your information. Open your email account and locate the Tandem verification email. Click on the verification link in that email to activate your account. After verification, return to the Tandem website to log in. Use your email and newly created password to access your account. Once logged in, complete your profile by adding any relevant teaching credentials. Explore the features available on the platform to enhance your teaching experience. Congratulations, you're now registered on Tandem for Teachers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.